Welcome to RN Tech. In this video, I will tell you how to add audio to the video. So this is the website, and this link will be placed in the descriptions. Onlineconverter.com. Add audio to video. So here you can see there are two different files. First file belongs to video file, and second file belongs to audio file. So first of all, you have to choose the video file from your laptop or computer. For example, this is my one of the file where I have to add the audio. Then which type of audio you have to add, click here. For example, this is the audio that I want to add. Here is the important thing that you should know about this one. There are different types of options, and one important thing is the maximum total file size must be 200 MB of your audio. So you can compress the file size. If the size of the file is greater than 200 MB, you have to compress this file. After that, you have different options. These options: audio volume, audio loop, positions, to the end, all these things. So step by step I will tell you. So option first one, would you like the replace audio in the video? What do you mean by this thing? Actually, it means if you want to add your new audio into the existing video, then you have to change this one, because you're replacing the new sound with the previous one, because already there was a audio in the video and you don't need that audio, so you are going to replace that one. After that, here is keep audio in the video. Already there is also audio in the video, and you are also going to add the second voice as well, so it will be mixed with each other. So it's up to you, but mostly I prefer this one because it will be best if you will replace the audio, but it depends upon your requirement. So for example, if I am replacing here, after that, this is audio volume. In audio volume, the new audio that you are adding, it should be decreases 20%, up to, you can see, um, minimum 10% and maximum 90%. Similarly, the audio that you have uploaded here, the volume must be increased up to the 10%, increase up to the 100%. So it's up to you know which type of the level of the your sound you should need. So I am going to click here. After that, there is one more option, that is a loop. So loop means, for example, if you are adding the audio in the video and it is just 10 seconds and your video is greater than 10 seconds, like 60 seconds, so you have to loop this one. Okay, but how many times it should repeat, you can also click at here as well. But if you will click the loop, it will be better, because once upon a time it will be completed, it will again start it. The position of the video from the start seconds. If you click the start seconds, you can write here that after 10 seconds your uh, new audio must be started, or from the start time, you can also write here from the start as well. So mostly I prefer from the start to the end option as well. For example, if you have start the seconds, you can also end the seconds as well. You have to upload the audio similarly here as well. So after that, any uh, changes that you will make, you will say add options here. So after a few seconds, it will take the time. When it will be completed, here will be the options to download it. So just wait, when it will be done I will show you. So you can see here all the guidelines that we have given to the online converter. It's converting. So when it will be done to the 100%, you will see the option to be downloaded it. You can see here it's conversion completed. So I am going to download it. So within a few seconds it will be downloaded it. So I hope you get knowledge how to add the audio in the video. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel. See you soon. Goodbye.